Welcome back to Getting Started in SketchUp for Lesson 3. In Lesson 3, we're going to work with the Offset tool and the Paint bucket for adding materials to our model. If I go and select the Offset tool and select an edge here, and activate it by left clicking it and picking inside this roof overhang, I'm going to type in 1 foot, enter, and I've offset at a certain distance. Then I'm going to go back to our push and pull tool, and the push and pull tool it is highlighted, and I'm going to pull it forward, and I can even enter in a distance of, I'm going to put in 6 feet, enter. So we have a little bit overhang there. Now what I'll do is I'm going to go to the paint bucket, and under the paint bucket the materials dialog box will pop up, and we're going to go where we have metal, and I'm going to go to brick and cladding and see what we have here. It looks like we've got some interesting brick patterns. I'm going to pick the brick rough dark. This should be located and loaded in your SketchUp software. So I'm going to hover down here on one of the walls and just kind of pick. Now in order for me to go around it, I need to use my orbit. Pick orbit, turn around, left click, kind of drag, and kind of see the model a little bit that way. Go back to the brick rough tan here, and as I do that, I switched between the orbit tool and the paint bucket tool. So I'm going to left click again, and it looks like we're in good shape so far. I'm going to go back where we have brick and cladding and go to roofing material here, and it looks as if I'm going to pick a different color. Maybe over here we'll select the roofing tile Spanish. So we'll pick that one, we'll select it, and I got one side. I'm going to have to do the orbit again so I can get the other side. Go back and select it again, and now we have at least 2 different type of building materials on our model. This will end lesson 3, but in the future lessons we will also work with some other tools as well to add to the model.